Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression and this contains basic operation, multiplication, division and subtraction. So we have to find out the correct answer after solving this expression and get the correct result. Here in the answer list, we have four answers 140, 134, 136, 72, and 8. So let's see which answer is correct after solving this. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's move towards to recall the rules which we will follow to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, which basically the rule which we follow to solve the arithmetic expression, if you have expression, if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to solve the exponent on order, or you can say like uh, root, a square root, and any number has the power, so you have to solve that part first. After that, you have to go in your expression left to right, as you can see, like if you uh, have your expression and you have to go left to right and find out division and multiplication. Either you are using the BODMAS or PAMDAS. You can solve any one if you are going left to right and find out which is coming first. So if division is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Similarly, similarly for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. So we can solve addition first if it is coming first and we are going left to right. And we can solve subtraction if it is coming first. So we can solve that part. Now, let's move towards to solve the given expression. As you can see, your expression contains two brackets. So according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS, we have to solve the bracket or parenthesis first. So here we have two brackets, so one by one, we will solve first these brackets. So now we will solve first bracket. So as you can see, first bracket is 32 minus 24. So we will write 8 after minus. And here we have 36 divided by 4 and minus 8 raised to power 2. We will write this part as it is. Now we will give the reference here. Here we minus 32 minus 24, which is equals to 8. Now move forward to solve other bracket, second bracket, which is 36 divided by 4. So now we will divide this part. So 8 multiplied by 36 divided by 4 equals to 9 minus 8 raised to power 2. We will write this part as it is. Now we will give again reference here. So here we divided 36 divided by 4, which is equals to 9. 4 9 the 36. Now again we have to, now we do not have any bracket now. So we will see the power. So yes, we have the power. So we will solve this part now. So here we will write this part as it is and write minus 8 raised to power 2, which means 8 multiplied by 8, which is equals to 64. And we can give reference here 8 raised to power 2 equals to 64. Now, we will move forward and left to right in our expression, left to right, because we do not have any bracket or parenthesis. Now we will move left to right and see which is coming first. So here we have the multiplication. So here we will solve this part. Now we will write 8 multiplied by 9, which is equals to 72 minus 64. And we will give the reference here. So 8 multiplied by 9 equals to 72. In the end, we have one term two terms which are subtracting each other, 72 minus 64, which is equals to 8. So the answer of this expression is 8. So I hope you understand like how you can solve this expression using palm dots and word mass rule and get the correct result. So if you see the answer list, so answer D is the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.